Hello students. Today we are going to discuss a new mathematics problem of IIT JEE Advanced, which was asked in 2025 paper 1, and this problem is from chapter differentiability. The problem is displayed on your screen. Let me read it. Let R denote the set of all real numbers. Define the function f such that R tends to R by f of x, which is 2 minus 2x square minus x square sine 1 by x if x is not equal to 0, otherwise 2 if x is equal to 0. There are 4 statements and we have to find the true statement. Statement A, the function f is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Statement B, there is a positive real number delta such that f is a decreasing function on the interval 0, delta. Statement C, for any positive real number delta, the function f is not an increasing function on the interval minus delta, 0. Statement D, x is equal to 0 is a point of local maxima of f. So if you really see this problem, there are 3 aspects that we need to investigate. First aspect is differentiability of f of x at x is equal to 0. So how do we go for f dash 0? You will see that f dash 0 is given as limit h tends to 0, f0 plus h minus f0 upon h, right? So if we put the value of the function, it will be limit h tends to 0, 2 minus 2h square minus h square sine 1 by h minus 2 divided by h, and if you further solve it, we will get limit h tends to 0 bracket minus 2h minus h sine 1 by h bracket closed, and if you put the value of h tends to 0, it will be 0. So f of x is differentiable at x is equal to 0. That means f dash 0 is 0. So what is our conclusion? Statement A is false. Let's investigate the next point, and that is how to identify the local maxima or minima in this problem. So f of x is given as 2 minus x square, and you can take x square common, so it will be 2 plus sine 1 by x, and sine 1 by x, the value of any sine function is minus 1 to 1, so we can write minus 1 is less than equal to sine 1 by x is less than equal to 1. Okay, and if we add 2 on everywhere, what will we get? Minus 1 plus 2 would be less than or equal to 2 plus sine 1 by x, which is less than or equal to 1 plus 2. Therefore 2 plus sine 1 by x would range from 1 to 3. So this is your, so what is it that x square into 2 plus sine 1 by x, what will be the sign? X square is always positive. 2 plus sine 1 by x would also be positive. So positive into positive would be positive. So f of x, if you see, equal to 2 minus any positive number would always be less than 2. So what is our conclusion? That f of x is less than 2 on either side of 0. That means f of 0 equal to 2 would be a maxima in this case. Okay. So conclusion is that statement D is false, since 2 is the maximum value at x is equal to 0. Now let us also check the monotonicity on the given interval. That is, what would we see? F dash x as d by dx of 2 minus 2x square minus x square sine 1 by x. We will get minus 4x minus bracket x square cos 1 by x into minus 1 by x square plus sine 1 by x into 2x. So what do we get as f dash x as? We get it as minus 4x minus 2x sine 1 by x plus cos 1 by x, isn't it? So as x tends to 0, we will get minus 4x minus 2x sine 1 by x would become 0 by putting the value. So it also approaches 0. Therefore we are left with cos 1 by x, which is what? It is an oscillating function. That means since cos 1 by x is an oscillating function, or it oscillates between -1 and 1, therefore within the vicinity the function is neither increasing nor decreasing, right? So what is the conclusion here? So B statement is false, as in the interval 0, delta the function is a oscillating one, right? Let us also see about C. C is the only statement which is true, since the function is not increasing in -delta, 0 interval. Okay, so what is our final say? Our final say is that the correct answer is C. We at Future Makers train you for your JEE, NEET and CBSE courses. If you wish to join our courses, you're welcome. Thank you.